Hello, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll be talking about multimedia. So I'll be showing you how to add audio, video, and PDF to your HTML file. So we're starting off with the audio. So if you want to add an audio to your HTML, you start with this audio tag. Then you give it a controls attribute. Then if you can see that inside this audio tag, we also have a tag that is nested inside it, which is this source. So in the source, you can see it has an attribute called src. So inside the src, that's where you're going to put the link to where the audio file is. Then you can see the type, which will specify the type of file that it is. You can see is audio slash mp3. Then I have another source below it. So what this does is you want to create an audio whereby the browser, if it doesn't run mp3, it will fall back to the next one. So most times the first one can work, or is also recommended that you use different sources so that you can have different formats to display on the browser, so that no matter the browser your users are using, they will always play this audio file. So I think Chrome and Firefox support all these audio formats. So for us to link our audio, let's we can see the audio file here. So I'll just change this to music, which is the name of the file. Then if I go to the browser here and hit play, you can see the audio is playing. Then I can actually click here and download it, change the playback speed and all that, pause, see the length of the audio and the rest. So this is how to add audio to your HTML. So to add a video is still the same, just that instead of using audio, we'll be using video. Then we added this controls here and added extra attribute, which is width. I can change it to something like 500, and if you see the browser, the width have changed to 500. So in the src, see the video we want to use, this video.mp4. So I'll just simply change this to video.mp4. Then you can see our video is now displaying. I can play the video. The video doesn't have an audio sound, that's why you're not hearing anything. As me, it has an audio, you'll be hearing the audio. I just downloaded a video that doesn't have any copyright. So this is how to add a video to your HTML page. Then if you want to add a PDF to your HTML, we'll be using this embed tag. You can see the embed, you can see inside the embed tag you have an attribute called src, where you are going to put the part of the PDF. Then you specify the type, which is our application slash PDF. You can give it a width and a height. Then if you see what is written before the closing of the embed, we have this description, this PDF description. This is a PDF document embedded using the embed tag, you can see. So this is what is going to be displayed if your browser doesn't support you to use embed. So I want to embed this PDF, which is cborn.pdf. So I'll simply come here and change the name to cborn.pdf. Then if I scroll down, you can see that we have embedded the PDF in our HTML page. I can actually click here to zoom into what we are having. Then I can as well come here and change the width and all. Then I can also click here to download the PDF, which if I click, it will ask me the location and where I want to save it. Then I'll click on save and it's going to download to my local device. So this is how to add audio, video and PDF to your HTML page.